Because the Chesapeake Bay has for years been an excellent habitat for waterfowl, the U.S. Fish and Wildlife Service chose to do canvasback duck banding and netting research on the Choptank River. Since the 1940s, generations of these birds have continued to migrate down the Atlantic Flyway and winter on the river. For the same reason, wildlife photographers, especially those interested in waterfowl, frequent Cambridge, Maryland, where one can drive up to the river and photograph the birds right from one's car. This area does have its limitations, however. It is in a populated area with signs of civilization, from the marina and bridge on the right to the docks on the left. However, with various photographic techniques, these problems can be minimized. Studies have shown that hooked mussels are among the foods eaten by these birds, and this little scaup seems to have gotten one. However, the seagull seems to want to take it away. And he does, and goes off by himself to eat in peace. Meanwhile, across the river, we see a flock of several thousand snow geese.